2018 Legal Fusion, Judge Gary Ransom. I was the fourth black judge in this county.
His impact speaks for itself.
I sat in 25 different courtrooms, from San Diego all the way to Oregon.
Retired Sacramento County Superior Court Judge Gary E. Ransom, a graduate of McGeorge School of Law and the first African-American assistant public defender in the Sacramento Public Defender's Office.
We're all in the same shape. We're all trying to be criminal defense lawyers, trying to represent our clients as best we could. And we were all had that same mind thought.
Longtime Sacramento criminal defense attorney Linda Parisi worked with Ransom as a public defender.
He was very committed to his clients. He knew the law. He was also very good at figuring out what would be most persuasive for his clients.
And in later years stood before him in court.
It's a very serious place. And what I thought was really important about the way Judge Ransom conducted his courtroom is he tried to make it as personal as possible.
A personal touch during proceedings and nuggets of wisdom handed out in court. Judge Ransom still remembers a conversation with a woman he sentenced years ago.
I got a great job right now. Every day I was in prison, I thought about what you said and encouraging me, and it happened. And I want to thank you.
Growing up in the segregated Northeast, his path was something no one expected.
I heard it 1,000 times. You ain't never going to be anything. You grew up in here, in the ghetto. That's it. This is as far as you go. There was not one person, including me, not one person would have seen me graduating from college, going to the Air Force, being an officer, flying in B-52s, going to law school.
Defying the odds and spreading encouragement along the way.
It's important that our nation goes forward where people know you got a chance. That's the thing that distinguishes the United States from a lot of other countries. You got a chance. You just got to try hard. And I tell them, you have a duty. Once you succeed, pass this on to somebody else.
In Sacramento, I'm Brandy Cummings, KCRA 3 News, celebrating Black history.
In addition to his long list of accomplishments, Judge Ransom was one of the founding members of the Sacramento chapter of Sigma Pi Phi. That's a fraternity for African-American professionals. Judge Ransom was initially appointed to the Sacramento Municipal Court by former Governor Brown back in 1981. He was appointed to the Superior Court by Governor George Duke Machen and retired from the bench in 2002.